Hello everybody, wanted to do a short video here on a pair of wire crimpers and cutters I got from CornWell. They're a CornWell tool, got a lifetime warranty. I gave $30.95 for them. I don't know if you can see the price there or not, but they're for insulated and non-insulated terminals and connectors, and they got the wire cutters here on the end, which I'll show you on the wire cutters. They're pretty sharp. It don't take much at all to cut through it, but pretty good quality. They told me if they get where they ain't very sharp that they probably wouldn't be able to take and give me a new pair, but they said not to tell anyone, but if they end up breaking somehow, bring them back to them, they'll replace them, no questions asked, which probably be the last pair I ever buy during my lifetime, hopefully, unless I lose them. But overall, they're really good quality. They don't have no give to them really. Get a lot of pressure on them compared to the old generic pair that I got, which I'll be showing you them in another video and using these. But I highly recommend their products. They're good quality tools. Prices are a little high on some of them, but overall they're probably worth it in the long run. So don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, comment down below, and have a good weekend everybody. Bye. Let's start.